Okay, we're going to get up. Come on up, guys. We're going to get up on the stage here. So we are going to sing. No, I want to do it. We are going to sing you a song and teach you some hand motions, and then together we will practice it. So we'll have a moment in the middle when we'll practice it together before we do it as a group, and just know this is all in fun. So we have a song today called Peace Like a River. Don't worry about learning it yet, just watch us first. Yeah, maybe. Okay, thank you. So this song is just our adaptation of the song Peace Like a River, and it reminds us of all of the lovely things that we all have within us in our soul. So be watching, and hopefully you can feel this inside of you, and then we'll teach you.
I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river in my soul. I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river in my soul. I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain in my soul. I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain in my soul. I got joy like a fountain, I got joy like a fountain, I got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got peace like a river, I got love like a mountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got peace like a river, I got love like a mountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul.
So now, we would love for you all to practice with us, feel with us, and enjoy this as well. So if you'd like to, you can stand. We're just going to quickly practice the hand motions, then we'll put it all up and we'll do it together. So let's practice. The first line is, I've got peace like a river. So, peace like a river. One more time, peace like a river. Then we do that 3 times in my soul, 3 times in my soul. Then we go on to love like a mountain. So I've got love, this is sign language for love, like a mountain. Love like a mountain. And one more time, love like a mountain. And no need to do the feet if you don't want to, you totally can in my soul. And the last part is we've got joy. So joy, like it's rising within you, like a fountain. So spurt your hands somewhere. So you've got joy like a fountain. Joy, okay, like a fountain. So every one of these lines goes 3, then in my soul, then another set of 3, and in my soul. And after we're done with each 3 of those, we put each line together so we can feel it all as one. So do your best and just play with us and feel these inside of you and feel our joy. So on the count of 3, we're going to start together, and Patrick's going to help us by practicing and pushing off the lyrics if we can. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river in my soul. I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river, I got peace like a river in my soul. I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain in my soul. I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain, I got love like a mountain in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul.
All together.
I've got peace like a river, I've got love like a mountain. got peace like a river. I've got love like a mountain. I've got joy like a fountain in my soul.
Thank you guys.
That was great.